Okay, so I'm gonna be trolling. Like my microwave, I put my headset in my microwave. I didn't. Well, I did. Kind of. I did it for like 10 seconds before. That was my MetaQuest 3. That was my other MetaQuest 1. That was super bad. So let's go. I'm gonna go troll in public lobbies. I don't have mods or anything. Like, I'm actually doing this with the sound. And they're gonna think I actually microwave my headset. I haven't figured out how to actually do this. I'm not gonna be on push to talk, so I'm just gonna be screaming, "Hey, you guys wanna watch me wave my headset?" Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Hey guys, do you guys wanna watch? Do you guys wanna watch me microwave my headset?
3, 2, 1, go.
Guys, you wanna watch me? You guys wanna watch me microwave my headset? You guys wanna watch me microwave? I'm gonna microwave my headset, guys. I'm gonna microwave my headset.
Don't do that.
Too bad. I'm microwaving my. I'm gonna put it in the.
You have early access, bro. Don't do that, bro. You have early access. Ding dong, you did it.
Alright, ready guys? Are you ready now? Alright, ready?
Please. Bro,
Guys, he's microwaving his headset. Can you count down, bro? Can you count down from me and Hut?
it's fuck all, bro. You know this one is too young.
The next lobby. I don't know how the controller is.
Do you wanna go to arcade?
Does anybody want to see me microwave my headset? Does anybody want to see me microwave my headset? Anybody want to see me microwave my headset?
Arcade.
No, I'm gonna microwave my headset. Okay, let's stop.
Hey guys.
To the screen, to the ring, to the pen, to the...
Yeah, that was not a good lobby. Terrible. I'm super sorry, wall. I just slammed my wall because I'm charging my phone. So, yo, does anybody want to see me? You guys want to see me microwave my headset? Does anybody want to see me microwave my headset?
I'm so funny.
I'll microwave my headset.
I'll shove you in the microwave. Bro, this kid was in my lobby the other day. He did not put in the microwave. He took it off and started spinning his headset. He was not slick at all, bro. Yeah. Are you retarded, bro? We would hear it. No, he was like, oh, I gotta need my mic for me to do it. I'm like, but they couldn't hear it. Also, I can hear it.
Okay, those guys did not believe it. They're actually pretty smart. But it's whatever. It doesn't matter. Next lobby. A minute. There you go. Yo, does anybody want to see me microwave? What the flip?
Dad, if you want to know something. Hey, you!
Black Mirror.
Do you want to do my Skibbity Ohio Whistle Skibbity Toilet?
Does anybody want to see me microwave my headset? Where is everybody? Anybody want to see me microwave my headset?
Guys, who wants to do my Skibbity Toilet?
You want Fleshy? You want to see me? Okay. I got you.
Who wants to do my Skibbity Toilet mini game real quick? Okay, come on. Wait, actually, come here. Come here. What do you mean? What do you mean it's not? Go behind me. Go behind there. Oh, everyone's just getting
Controller. Yo. Okay, there it is. Okay, they didn't really care that I microwaved my headset. I didn't microwave my headset, but it's a joke. Second to last time I'm doing this. What the?
He's so bad. I made cheepy cheepy choppa choppa doobie
Okay,
doobie.
this is gonna be a good reaction.
Mikey,
Guys, I'm gonna microwave my headset. I'm gonna microwave my headset. I'm gonna microwave my headset, guys. I'm gonna microwave my headset.
Hush! I'm already
I'll let random people choose what I wear. You right there. You. I'll let you choose what I wear. Come here. Now I'll let you choose what I wear. No, I actually got 78 bucks. Cheese it. I'll let you choose what I wear. Come here. Oh, you want me to wear this? Cheese it. You want me to wear this? Okay. You want me to wear this cap?
They didn't seem like they cared one bit, to be honest. Maybe I should do this in like a different game. That depends if it actually, nobody watches my long videos, but they're fun to make.
Come on, let's go in there.
Okay, so basically you want to click your Oculus menu, and then you go to settings, and then you go to storage, and then you click the three books with the X on them, and it like resets your game, but you still have all your cosmetics.
That's so cap.
Oh,
No, I'm not playing.
I don't want to do it.
Okay, you guys want to see me microwave my headset?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
microwave thing. He's doing the quick thing.
Blue.
Wait, 19 hours, guys. Why does it say 19 hours?
Because it's leaving.
Yeah.